So you want to remove that bumper sticker? You're going to need 2 items. Can of WD-40 and a razor blade. Okay guys, this is a sticker we're removing. Get your can of WD-40, your razor blade. Make sure your razor blade is brand spanking new so you don't scratch your car up. Pretty simple, guys. Spray it down a little bit, let it soak for, 60 seconds or so. And then we're just gonna take our razor blade here and slowly peel it away. All you gotta do is just get this started. Once you get it started, you can just peel it away. So just get it started, see? Just like that. Just like that. You got it started, see that? Oh, don't break on me now. Don't play that game now. Peel away. Look at that. You can even use, just for demonstrational purposes, if you want a little bit more WD-40, go for it. Just use your razor blade a little bit more. Just like that. How do we get that goo gone? Hint, hint. You can use a goo gone if you want. Oh, we don't need to. We're just gonna use our WD-40. Spray it down a little bit. And we're just gonna razor blade it off. Look at that. Tell you what. Let's get a better view of that. I'm zooming in for you. It is serious now. Spray your WD-40 on there. Look at that. Real easy and real gentle with that blade. Not doing a bit of damage to this truck. Comes right off. Boom! Now tell me, where was that bumper sticker at? You don't know. You don't know. It looks brand new here. It's brand new. Look at that. Yeah. WD-40, my friends. Pick yourself a can up today.